And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, a good Monday morning. Temperatures running in the mid to upper 60s, 68 down in Covington, 67 Attica, 66 here in Lafayette, 66 Rochester, 67 in Winnemac, as well as Kokomo this morning. Here's the wide view. High pressure will still keep us nice and clear this morning and through the midday. We have some mid-high level clouds kind of streaming in. Cold front to the west, and that's what's going to drive a tropical storm and then tropical depression, then a low, tropical low into our viewing area tomorrow evening into Wednesday. But Hurricane Beryl, Category 1 hurricane, just made landfall about 45 minutes ago this morning with sustained wind about 80 miles per hour. It will now start to weaken, and again, it will travel up this path right over central Indiana. And the good news is we may be on the northwest side of the main center of the low, which does mean that we could see some pretty decent rainfall, but we'll keep an eye on the track. Any shift farther southeast could mean that we could see less rainfall, as well as making it further northwest. So we are, as of right now, in the good zone for some heavy rain, but we are clear now. Mid-high level clouds, maybe a isolated shower or storm to the west that'll work in this afternoon. And temperatures will be another warm, muggy day, mid to upper 80s, which is above normal this time of year. Normally about 84 degrees for those high temperatures, but we'll be above that here. 86 high yesterday, mid to upper 80s to near 90 for today, with those low chances for some isolated storms this afternoon. Now tomorrow, completely different day, a lot more cloud cover. We'll stay in the upper 70s to around 80, lower 80s in some areas, but we will start to see those rain chances really increase by midday and into the evening. The heavier, more steady rain comes in later in the day, Tuesday into Wednesday. So here's today. Futurecast going into your Monday afternoon. A few scattered showers and a few storms may be possible. Nothing severe, lightning a threat with any storm. So if you do have plans this evening, just stay cautious. Make sure to head inside if you hear that thunder out there, but we will be watching for more cloudy conditions and dry Tuesday morning. This is 7 o'clock this time tomorrow morning. We will start to see those clouds really start to come in. Then here comes the rain starting to become a little bit more widespread Tuesday by midday, and especially by 3 to 6. So we will be watching kind of the spokes of this kind of tropical low depression that will move through, and each one of these little spokes or storms may have a little bit of spin to it, kind of the nature of these remnants of tropical systems, and naturally have the spin in the atmosphere. So an isolated brief tornado can't be ruled out between Tuesday evening going into late Tuesday night into Wednesday, but then as we get toward Wednesday morning, we'll start to be on the back edge of the system, and it will move off to the northeast fairly quickly, giving way to more clearer conditions by Wednesday night, and Thursday, Friday looks pretty good. So here's the future 7-day rainfall from the NOAA Weather Prediction Center. There's the swath of heavy rain. Again, we're right on the northwest side of the main low area of low pressure, so that's going to give us some decent rainfall. Hopefully 2 to about 3 inches of rain looks fairly decent. We'll update this map as we get closer because the track still kind of going to be watching that closely. But here's a bigger picture. This is 10 o'clock tomorrow. Widespread rain for us. We're still kind of on that northwest side. That will move off to the northeast, and we'll be left with better conditions here for Thursday and Friday. So something certainly we need. We definitely need the heavy rain for us here Tuesday, Wednesday, but some flooding could be a potential, as well as lightning, but widespread severe weather unlikely. Winds 30, 40 miles per hour wind gusts at times. Sunny though Thursday, Friday, but once we get to the weekend, notice the temperatures with the wet soils that we'll get from tomorrow and Wednesday. It's going to turn pretty humid and hot. It won't be temperatures really hot, but the feel-like temperature will be soaring up into the near triple-digit mark just because of how humid it will be. And especially going into next week, could be seeing temperatures lower 90s with heat index values, maybe 105, 110 degrees.
Yikes, that's hot.
Yes, we got kind of all different types of weather. We got some rainy, kind of cooler days ahead of us, which is going to be nice. We need it. then it's going to be really warm going into the weekend, possibly into next week.
So today's the day that you want to mow. That's what my husband said.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Mow today, because then it's
Right.
going to rain and then you have to mow again. You have to time
Right,
your
exactly.
mowing, you know?
Yes, yeah. Today's a good day to get anything outside done if you have any plans to get ready for some hefty, good rainfall, hopefully here for tomorrow night into Wednesday.
And there it grows again.
There it goes.
There
Yep.
we go. All right. Thanks, Dave.